All right, skiers and riders, let's talk about the 2025-2026 ski season outlook. If you're chasing powder, I've got some good news, especially if you're heading north. The northern Rockies, like Big Sky and Jackson Hole, are expected to get more snow and above-average precipitation. Montana, Wyoming, and eastern Idaho? Definitely on the powder hound hot list this year. Now, if you're in the Midwest or near the Great Lakes, think Boyne Mountain, Mount Bohemia, or Crystal Mountain, it's looking even better. Get ready for some serious lake effect dumps and colder temps. Central and northern Colorado and Utah, expect pretty average snowfall. Not epic, but definitely solid for those weekend missions. But if you're planning to rip in the southwest, like Lake Tahoe, Arizona, or Taos, the outlook is a bit leaner. Drier and warmer conditions might mean more sun than snow, so keep your plans flexible and follow the snow reports closely. In the northeast, things look promising. We're talking colder, snowier days and more consistent storms, especially in December, January, and February. And Canada? If you're heading to eastern Ontario or Manitoba, expect colder weather and up to 20% more snow than normal. BC and Alberta will be cooler and wetter, with the best days at higher elevations. Bottom line, if you want deep powder and cold temps, aim for the northern mountains and the Great Lakes. But if you're going south, pack some patience and maybe some extra wax. Here's to a killer ski season wherever you drop in. Thanks for stopping in. Let me know what you think and where you plan to go for your first trip. Hope you liked it, and please subscribe for more updates.